I've watched 47 dads start businesses in the last 18 months. 31 of them quit within 90 days. Not because they were lazy, not because their ideas were bad, because they tried to build a business that needs single guy time with a dad schedule. So this is my blueprint. Not motivation, not hustle, not hype. A step-by-step way to build a real business without becoming absent. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to focus on this week and what to ignore for the next year. And I'll show you the exact same framework I use with working dads who have 5 to 10 hours a week. Let's go. Let's define the goal properly. Most people say, I want more money. That's vague, and vague goals create messy businesses. For a working dad, making it actually means 3 things. 1, your income doesn't rely on panic or constant effort. 2, your business fits your life instead of competing with it. 3, your family doesn't get what's left of you. If your business only works when you are exhausted, it's not freedom. It's just another job with worse hours. And in about 8 minutes, I'll show you exactly why most dads quit at the exact wrong moment. But first, quick background. I've built businesses across different industries, and I've worked with dads trying to do the same with limited time and energy. One thing became clear fast. If the business doesn't fit your season of life, you don't push through. You burn out or you disappear at home. I learned this watching my own dad. He worked hard his entire life, but the business model he was in demanded everything: time, energy, presence, and there was nothing left. So this blueprint is built for dads who refuse to replay that pattern. You can build something real without sacrificing everything else, but it requires a different approach. Level 1, the fundamentals: income versus assets. There are 2 ways to earn money. You trade time for income, or you build something that pays you back. As a dad, you don't need more hours, you need less dependency on you. That means systems, not grind. This connects back to leverage from a previous video. Check that one out if you haven't seen it. Time is capped, leverage is not. So your goal isn't work more, it's to make the same work worth more over time. Focus, no sugarcoating. Here's where most working dads lose years. They try to build 3 things at once. A bit of this idea, a bit of content, a bit of outreach, a bit of ads. Nothing works because nothing gets enough practice. So let's be direct. Focus isn't a productivity trick, it's survival. 1 person, 1 offer, 1 channel. That's the only way to build momentum when time is limited. Now, before I show you the framework, I need to warn you about something. There are 5 stages every business goes through. And most dads quit at stage 3 without realizing how close they were. Every business goes through the same 5 stages. Not theory, reality. Stage 1 is excitement. I finally found the thing. You're motivated, you're optimistic, you think this might be the answer. Energy is high and doubt is low. Stage 2, resistance. This is harder than I thought. Everything takes longer. Nothing feels smooth. You're working but results aren't showing up yet. Stage 3, the quit point. I'm not cut out for this. And this is where temptation creeps in. Maybe I should try something else. This is where most people disappear. Not because it doesn't work, but because the fantasy is gone and reality is boring. I saw this happen to someone last month. He'd been doing outreach for 6 weeks, 42 days of consistent messages. Then he stopped, said it's not working. 2 weeks later, 3 of his old messages got replies. But he'd already moved on to a new idea. Stage 4, competence. I can solve these problems now. Here's where you stop guessing. You know what matters. You know what to ignore. The work becomes clearer. Stage 5, results. The system pays me back. Not instantly, not magically, predictably. And here's what matters. It's not about finding the right thing. It's about staying long enough to become capable. Most people keep restarting at stage 3. That's why they stay stuck in an endless loop. Okay, we're at the halfway point. You know the 5 stages and why most people quit early. Next, the simple business model that actually fits dad life and the execution framework that makes it real. Level 2, you don't start with a logo. You start with a hungry crowd. A hungry crowd has 4 traits. They are in real pain. They can afford help. They are easy to find. The problem is growing, not shrinking. If you miss any of these, you'll fight uphill the entire time. 1 avatar, 1 offer, one channel. The fastest way to momentum. One person, one problem, one promise, one channel. Most dads don't need more ideas, they need fewer decisions. Complexity feels productive. It's usually avoidance. When you're overwhelmed with choices, pick the simple path and commit for 90 days. Your offer wins when 4 things are clear. The outcome is desirable, it feels likely to work, it feels fast enough, and it feels simple enough. People don't just buy results, they buy less friction, less time, less effort, and less decision fatigue. If your offer increases any of these, it will struggle. Build it right, foundation over speed. A lot of people try to scale something fragile. They market harder instead of fixing what they deliver. But here's the truth. If the product disappoints, more attention just exposes it faster. The loop is simple. Build, get clients, improve, repeat. That's how you build something fast. That's how you build something that lasts. Level 3, execution that fits dad life. Inputs over outcomes. Stop setting goals you can't control. You can't control sales today. You can control actions. Examples of controllable inputs: 5 conversations per day, 2 videos per week, 1 offer improvement per week, 2 sales calls per week. Businesses grow from boring practice, not motivation, not inspiration, just consistent, boring action. Here's the rule that removes emotion. Count in hundreds. If you want results, ask, how many hundreds did I do? 100 messages, 100 comments, 100 videos, 100 follow-ups. If you've done 10 and you're discouraged, you're not failing. It's just early. I use this rule myself when I feel like something's not working. I check the count. And almost always I'm at 20 or 30 reps, not 100. So I keep going. Level 4, staying stable. Paying yourself. If you never pay yourself, you stay stressed. Stressed founders make bad decisions. Create a rule. Some money for family stability, some for growth, some for reserves. It doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be consistent, because financial stress kills more businesses than bad ideas. Level 5, why this matters. The real point. The goal isn't to win business. The goal is to stay in the game long enough to become someone your kids respect. Your kids won't remember your hustle. They'll remember your availability, your patience, your presence. I think about this a lot because I watched my dad give everything to work. And I know he did it for us, but we needed him more than we needed extra hours he worked. So build a business that fits your life, not a life sacrifice to your business. That's the entire point. So here's the blueprint. Define the real goal, income that doesn't require panic. Focus, 1 person, 1 offer, 1 channel. Understand the 5 stages and don't quit at stage 3. Start with a hungry crowd. Build an offer that removes friction, not just promises results. Control inputs, not outcomes. Count in hundreds, not tens. Pay yourself consistently. That's it. No hacks, no shortcuts, just a system that fits the life you actually have. Look, I know this isn't sexy. It's not a viral strategy. It's not a 4-hour work week, but it's real. And it works for dads who are willing to be patient and disciplined. If you've been trying to build something, but it keeps competing with your family, this is your reset. Pick one thing, commit for 90 days, track your hundreds, and see what happens. If this helped, hit subscribe. I'm releasing a full series on building as a working dad, and you don't want to miss it. Watch the next video. I'll show you how to get your first clients consistently with 30 to 60 minutes a day. See you in the next one.